Hey guys, if you're using Lovable, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce your cost to build your web application, landing page, or website inside Lovable. Okay, so because to building an web application, even a small one can cost you hundreds of dollars for credit into the Lovable. Okay, so sometimes when you are building an application, you make it stuck because of credit and you need to buy again and again. So that's why there is a solution actually for Lovable users, and now you can actually create any project, any landing page, or anything actually you want to create into Lovable without costing a single credit. Okay, so all your current credit will be fixed and you will able to build anything. Okay, so let me show you the solution. Okay, so here is the extension called Lovable Powerkits actually, and you can see we can give prompt and so many other things with this extension. So let me give you a demo. So here in this account I have 23 credit. You can see here I have only 23 credit left, and I will do some editing, updating in this landing page. Okay, and then still it will keep the same 23 credit. It will not consume any single credit to build. Okay, so let me try it out. Okay, so here I'm just creating a landing page. You can see here, and let's say I want to update something on this landing page. Okay, so here there is a scrolling review section. So let's say I want to stop scrolling when user just hover the mouse. Okay, so let me try it. Okay, so let me give this a prompt. Okay, so I just write the prompt here, and the goal is I want something like when user hover, then this scrolling will stop, and then when they take out the mouse from it, then it will start scrolling. Okay, so let me give it a prompt. Okay, so I'm going to send the prompt from here. Yeah, the prompt sent, and if I show you here, you can see the prompt sent here. We did not use the native Lovable chat here. Okay, I just added the prompt by using the extension, and as I showed you earlier that I have 23 credit into this account, and let's see after build how many credit it expand. I'm sure it will not cost any credit as the extension do this. Okay, so let's wait and see. Well, our feature is done. Okay, so first of all, let me show you if it's working. Okay, so see here, when I just hover, then the scrolling stop. When I just take out the mouse from it, it start scrolling. Okay, so this feature is working. So the prompt actually worked, and let me show you the credit. You see here, still 23 credit. Okay, so let me reload the page so that you can see it live. Okay, so I am just reloading the page in front of you just to prove that the extension is working perfectly. You can see here 23 credit. Okay, so if you want to use this extension, then you will get a Discord link and our website link into the description of this video. Okay, just go there and send us a message that you want this, then you can get it easily. Okay, so it will not cost you any credit when you build inside the Lovable. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.